So these are Nike Space Hippies, and this is the color that I chose to dye them. I just know these shoes are about to come out in a pretty blue bomb color. So let's just get on into it. And the first thing we're going to do is put some water into a big pot and remove our shoestrings from our shoes. And this is everything that you're going to need, which are some tongs, dishwashing liquid of your choice. Of course, we have our red dye and some salt. And of course, the shoes. And we're going to warm that water up on the stove. When you see those little bubbles in there, that's how you'll know the water is warm enough. It does not have to come to a boil. Throw the salt in, drizzle you some dishwashing liquid in there, and of course pour the dye in. Now this dye be stressing me out because it do not be looking like the color that is on the bottle. It does not look teal, it looks royal blue to me, but we're gonna trust the process. So we stirring it all up, making sure everything is nice and blended, tossing in our shoestrings. And then the best part is, of course, putting the shoes in. Put them in slowly. And this color is looking very much royal blue, not teal. But again, I'm going to trust the process. I'm not impressed, but we're just going to see how this is going to turn out because, child, I don't know. And with this dye, I've noticed after the shoes are dry, it does change a different color. So I'm hoping after they are rinsed and dry, the color will be different. Okay, so we're removing our shoes and our shoestrings out and preparing them to be rinsed off. You have to rinse out the excess dye or it will dye your socks or your clothes if you have on pants. Especially white pants or light jeans, the dye will rub off if you don't rinse them well. So this is a before of the shoes and the color they were. And look at the after. Yes. This is what I was hoping for. This is after they were rinsed and dried, and I love them. They look so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I loved doing it, Chalk Nation. Stay tuned for more. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me how you feel about this shoe dye. Peace.